start. We have here normally water with a small hole. You understand? Then my special light, white, warm, and dimmable, how the sun goes down. You know what I mean? Then for good spraying. Then we have here found only in Koh Chang this glass. It's from Ikea. Every man all over the world can buy this in all Ikea shops. The name is Korken. Korken is a good name, man. Okay, let us back to this glass. Hello, Dre. Glass. This are 4 lama stones I have from Bangkok, from Chatuchak market. This we found in the south of Koh Chang, directly in the jungle. I hope I become this in there and there, I don't know. We look later. Here we have different kinds of mosses. Selaginella. I take this from a toilet restaurant. That's growing in the toilet here. This is from the Chatuchak market. This is I stolen here. This from the hotel, and this is from Chongbury, the Star Bromeliad. And here is my special mix with charcoal, Bangkok soil, and sphagnum moss. Okay. Every time, all nice and wet. How in the real jungle, you know, that's are the tools of us. A brush, pincet, and a stick. That's here a chopstick from here. So, this, I don't like this. Later comes the light direct here on the top. It's perfectly, yeah. I have here a new follower. And I think I present this later. That's my brand new follower. Okay. I think we make inside a little bit holes here. I don't know. Oh, this we make later. So. Now we have to look what we make. More of this. Or more of this. I think for cleaning for the girls better than another direction. Normally I make this for me so. Paula war das. Tissue. Yes. No, you can give me in the hand. Give me. Americano, please. Hot. Hot. Cup. What? Yeah. Okay. Hab und Gab. Now we want to make in the Now I want to make in one. Twaalf mandonana. And in the background, and good. In the ground you make green. Take here the small bulbous Drocklis. Scissors is good. You have a scissor? A scissor? Oh, very good. Ngap, ngap. Okay, beautiful sign, beautiful. Very beautiful. It's so awesome. It's so awesome. Guck da. So. Em chẳng quài. Clean sometime. So that's here beautiful Zelaginella. Stick. Fällt mir noch nicht so. Light. Mensch, Light. Dice. Dice, ich mach Dice dir gleich mal ähnlich. Dice. Now we can fix it. Very good, my friend. Very good. You are the best. Hey. Woo. Gin Brazil. What is good? What looks good?
I think
Hier.
gin Brazil. Right?
Make Gin Brazil. Basil, das ist gut, Mensch. Das kann man ja auch nicht gerade Licht nennen hier von oben. No, before we make small. Das klappt heute mal wohl ja auch nicht hier alles, so meine Skills. Das ist zu viel des Juden. Na endlich. Jetzt weiß ich, was ich mache. Oh, very good. Cup and cup. Mhm. Auch nicht schlecht. Ja, nicht Brasil, sondern Basil. Das ist. Oh, jetzt komme ich nicht drauf. Basilikum, ich Trottel. Aber schmeckt top. Mm. Good.